Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add an event in Google Calendar. So for us to do that, you have to mark the date of the event, then you can double click on it. Like in this video, I'm going to double click on this particular date. Then when I double click on it, then right here I have an option to edit the title. So I'm just going to add a simple title. Okay, let's see. Actually, the date is on Sunday. Let's see Thanksgiving. Good. Yeah. After that, then you can come right here. If the event is going to take the whole day, I'll just check this pause. And if the event's not going to take place throughout the whole day, then I can easily schedule the time 10 a.m. to 10:30, or if I want, I can easily configure the time. Let's say just the church service. Let's say around 7 to let's say 11:30. Okay, 11:30 September 29th. Then you can also set time zone, which is not probably. Then since the event is not going to take the whole day, then I will check this. Then it does not repeat. I want it to repeat daily or weekly on Sunday or once in a month. I can do that. This is just for the time zone. I don't need to do that, just cancel it. After that, okay, so actually you can decide if you want it to repeat, if you want to put it on repeat, or just daily or weekly on Sunday. So since it's just a Sunday, I will just probably put it on annually. Want it annually, maybe this particular program that comes once in a year, so I don't want to miss the date. You can just easily put it annually, or you set it as custom. After that, then you can add the description of what the event is about. Add the description, then you can set the notification. Then you can also set the visibility. You want it to be public to others or probably private, so that then to configure it, you can add your description, you can add it, you can also link it to your Google Drive, you can bold it and so on, stuff like that. Once you're done, then you can save. And that is how to add an event in Google Calendar. Friend, this video, like and follow for more. Thank you.